When you need to calm that overactive mind, this breath is for you, the 4-7-8 breath. Find a comfortable position wherever you are. You can stand or sit. Take a breath in through the nose for 4 counts. Hold the breath for 7 counts. Exhale through the mouth, 8 counts. Repeat, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Soften. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, let it go. One more, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Return to your normal breathing pattern. Just take a moment to observe how you feel. Let any last bit of tension go with your exhales. You can use this tool wherever you feel a little bit overwhelmed, your mind is a little bit overactive, just to bring you back down into the moment. Enjoy.